Hey Lily, a lot of people hate networking at events. How do you feel about it?
They're all right, I guess. They can be pretty daunting.
You know, I've heard people say it makes them feel dirty. In fact, a Harvard experiment proved people feel physically unclean when they think about networking.
Oh, wow, okay. But if you're running an event, it's something you want to encourage, right?
Exactly. If an event helps provide great networking outcomes, your attendees will remember it forever and keep coming back.
Stick around and we'll share some tips and strategies that'll encourage networking at your event, making it easier for everyone to get involved.
Hey, I'm Hamish and I'm a software engineer here at Canva.
And I'm Lily and I'm a producer at Design School.
Together, we're going to explore a range of resources you can create to prompt conversations and make people feel more comfortable using Canva's design tools.
We'll cover printed name tags and even LinkedIn posts you can share before the event has even begun. And we're uploading new videos every week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any. Personally, I'd love to hear in the comments what you think about event networking. Are you a lover or are you a hater?
I'm definitely a lover, but I know a lot of people struggle to make small talk at the start of an event.
Yeah, I try not to arrive too early for that exact reason. It's so hard to approach someone new.
I think you're really going to love this idea then. You know how most events have a tea and coffee station?
Yeah, it's where everyone gravitates when they arrive, right?
What if the cups had prompts on them to help encourage conversations between strangers?
Like different questions?
Yeah, exactly, like on different topics. Say it's an event helping small businesses reduce their carbon footprint. We might have cups that say eco-friendly products, clean energy, and carbon offsetting. Guests could pick a cup according to the topic they'd like to explore with others in the room.
Gotcha. When it comes to the design, it's going to be easier and more cost-effective to make a sticker label rather than printing directly onto the card.
I love it.
I'll start by typing stickers into the search field on the Canva homepage. This will give you thousands of templates you can start using straight away.
Anything with a crown is for pro users, and anything without is completely free for anyone.
I'm choosing the blank one. This will bring up a circle shape that shows me where the sticker will be cut. And then I'll choose a background color like this. Add type like this.
You know, there's this cool little text effect you can really use to make it stand out. With the text selected, hit the effects button and choose background.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. I'll adjust the roundness here, the spread, and the color.
Oh, unreal, that looks great.
Feels like it's still missing something. In the Elements tab, I'm going to search for eco-friendly graphics. This one's perfect.
Should we include a prompt like talk to me about or maybe ask me about?
Great thinking. Make it clear we're trying to start a conversation. I'll use another effect on this type to match the curve of the sticker. Done.
All right, this is groovy. Straight away, people have a way to identify common interests. The ice is broken. I now know where my time will be best spent.
Let me start another.
These look awesome. How do we get them printed?
Just hit the print stickers button here. The first thing you'll see is a little mock-up of the sticker so you can judge the size.
All right, these are going to need to fit on a cup, so I reckon they need to be pretty small.
And around liquid. So let's go with gloss. Choose your amount and add to order. Repeat for the other stickers by choosing them here.
Wowza, that was super quick. In no time at all, they'll be arriving at your door and ready to be added to those cups.
Even better, have the stickers available so people can choose their own. This will give you a good idea about key themes the audience wants to discuss.
All right, good thinking. Okay, that coffee cup idea has got to be one of my favorites, but sometimes a simple name tag can be just as effective.
Yes, some people don't like wearing them, but I'm with you in thinking they're super helpful. Okay, this time I'll search for rectangle stickers. There are a bunch of templates here, and I'll just choose one to adjust so I have the right dimensions. I'll select the background color. Copy an element across. Add the logo in the top left corner. Now, for the actual name, I'm just going to leave a blank space here. They can write their name in there with a pen.
Just make sure you choose matte finish when you print. You can't actually write on gloss.
Yes, exactly. Good point. I'll put pronouns here so they can tick what they prefer. And then create a few alternatives so people have a choice. Okay, I think that looks good.
Nah, it looks great.
You could also add in something fun, like a fun fact, area of expertise, something to get people talking. What about a LinkedIn post? Have you ever introduced yourself prior to an event?
Like a virtual name tag?
Yeah, like this. They've been popping up all in my newsfeed lately. As you can see, it's been made for an event facilitator, and its purpose is to encourage guests to introduce themselves during the event. I've included a friendly photo so people know what she looks like, along with a short bio so anyone can use it to kickstart a conversation.
So Esme Jones would post this on her LinkedIn profile in the hope that some of her connections would be attending, right?
Yeah, or it could even help promote the event and encourage people to come along.
I like how you've kept it simple and used a similar design to the stickers and a nice use of background remover as well, actually.
It's good to keep everything consistent. It helps people recognize the event and any display material. And as for background remover, this is available for pro subscribers. Just grab your picture, click on edit image, choose background remover, and Canva will do all the hard work for you. I've then thrown a little black and white filter on it as well, like this. I can just hit the share button and select my LinkedIn page and it'll post directly.
So I imagine the event organizer could make one of these for each of the speakers, facilitators, and hosts, right?
Yeah, that's right.
You've just given me an idea. Can I drive for a sec?
Do it.
I'm going to copy your design here, change a few things. Add in a frame instead of an image.
Okay. You're creating a template that all attendees can use. Nice idea.
Yeah, it introduces them to the other attendees and actually helps publicize the event. I'm going to select all the things I don't want anyone to touch. Logos, positioning, website address, that sort of thing. Group them here with this button. Then lock them down with this button. Now these elements are untouchable.
Did you know you can partially lock things as well?
Yeah, if you want to maintain the font or the positioning, but you're happy for them to change the text, hit partial lock.
It works on images as well, where people can change the image, but the crop and orientation remain locked.
Now I can go to the share button, hit more, and choose template link. This will give me a link that I can send out to people. They'll get their own template to use. They'll just drag their headshot in here and their name over here. Update what they want to talk about actually over here, and then follow your instructions to upload it to LinkedIn. Easy as.
I love it.
So Lily, do you think any of these would help you feel less awkward at your next event?
Most definitely. I like them all, but I have to agree that the stickers for the paper cups are my favorite. I haven't seen anything like that done before, and I'd be really keen to try it out.
It's not a bad idea, is it? I'm actually really keen to try the introduction on LinkedIn, something I'm definitely going to do in the future. I love the idea of starting the conversation before the event has even begun.
Let us know in the comments which resource you like best, which one would make you feel most comfortable and able to network.
And if you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up to help other people see it as well.
For more videos just like this one, subscribe and you'll get an update each time a new one drops.